and welcome back to another lesson in language in literature. Today we will be talking about conceptual definition and technical definition. As we already know, conceptual definition is the universally agreed upon meaning of a word, or it's the universal meaning or the general meaning of a word. Now, how about technical definition? Now, most people get confused with technical definition and operational definition. Well, there's a thin line that just separates the two of them. Operational definition deals on the application of that word in a specific discipline, while in technical definition, it can also apply like that, that there's that specific use of that term in that specific discipline or area. But we can have a clear distinction between them if we associate technical definition to a jargon. Now, what is a jargon? A jargon is a special word or expression that is used by a particular profession or group and is difficult for others to understand. Let's have the word like. When I say I like you, it means it is an expression of favor or preference. I like strawberry than vanilla. So it's a preference between something, okay? Or it's an expression of favor. When I say I like you or I like that idea, then it's an expression of favor. But then we also know that like is a reaction or a reaction button in what platform? In Facebook. That's right. So, as you can see there, like has that technical definition of being a reaction or a reaction button. Now, that's a jargon coming from Facebook. Okay? Or it can also be in YouTube. So we commonly hear YouTubers saying, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, just like that. So we have the jargon like in Facebook as well as in YouTube. Now I have here a situation of a young boy having a bit of a problem with his computer. Let's take a look at the conversation between the young boy and his grandma. Oh, my computer is bugged. And the grandma heard the boy. So she said, oh, just get rid of it with a duster. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And then, of course, the young boy got annoyed and, Grandma, that's not what I meant. So what does the young boy mean when he said that his computer is bugged? So, it means that a bug is an error or flaw or fault in a computer program or system that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result. So sometimes, for example, in our applications, in our phones, we get a lot of errors, and that means the application has a bug. It does not literally mean that there's a bug inside that you have to clean out, but it's an error inside the application or inside your software. And how about the word follow? There might be that scenario when you tell your friend that I have to go to the bathroom, but don't forget to follow me, okay? And then your mother heard of it and she did not understand what you meant by follow, because you're actually going to the restroom and then you want your classmate to follow you, and that's a bit of, you want your friend to follow you there, and that's a bit weird for someone who does not really know what you meant by follow. Now, follow is another jargon used online, especially with these following platforms. We have the Facebook as well as Twitter. Now, with so many technical words online or in the IT world, it's not surprising that grandmas or even your mother gets confused. Now, I hope technical definitions are clear to you. So as an activity, please complete the table found on page 210 from your book. And this has been Teacher Del. Bye!